smells like is honey.
Ooh.
Oh wow, he tried to give me that.
Are you gonna do it, huh? Yeah, and Luna, I'm gonna do a really little hook. Hey, a mini largie. There we go. Here, one sec, Holden. Oh, that is cute, Everly.
I can't get him off.
That's a very small
It's hard
largie.
to get Rocky off for some reason.
Look, I caught a baby bass.
Oh, that's actually...
Wait, hold on. Here, Everly, you gotta put your worm on better, though.
You catch over here little bitty fish and then little bit snags like that. But when me and my son go fishing on the bridge, there's like a little path. You can go under the bridge too.
Yeah?
Yeah, so.
Okay.
Weird looking rock.
Right under there.
Oh, shit. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Shout out to them. I don't even know their name, but they gave us free cones because the Cash App thing was weird with my bank linked and it was just stupid. No cones. Front of the Leap Steak Market. Oh yeah. Oh my god, oh geez. Like, okay, yeah, because we fished this morning, me and the girls, but now we're gonna go again. She wants to try Steamboat Lake, whatever that is. I guess it's comes off of Leech Lake and stuff. And then some things were saying there were no muskie in it, but then she did more research and it says there's a good population, so we're gonna go at it. It's time to get some bait, baby. Oh my god, I'm so excited. At the pawn shop. I think I just got snagged there. Yep, I knew it.